All right, let's get started for math with our daily calendar routines. So, we know our month is September, right? And in Spanish, that is septiembre. Can you say that? Septiembre. Good. All right, we know from our morning meeting today is Tuesday, September 15th. Good. All right. So let's take a look at how many days we've been in kindergarten. Now, this is a very exciting and special day. Let's take a look and see why. All right. So in our ones, let's count how many we already have. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We already have 9 in our ones. So, remember, we're writing these out together. We're going to start our number sentence with a 9. So, we're going to make a little loop and go straight down. What comes next in a number sentence for now? That plus sign. Very good. Now, how many more are we adding? Just 1. Very good. So we'll make that 1, and then we'll put in our equal sign. 9 plus 1. I wonder what that equals. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've been in kindergarten for 10 whole days. Can you believe it? I can't. Now, this is an exciting day because once we get to 10, that means we get a new group. So, when we look at our numbers, let's look at this together. So, do you see how this 10 has 2 numbers in it? Do you see that? 1, 2. It has a 1 and a 0. The 1 or the 0 is in the place that we call the ones place. And the 10, my goodness, Miss G. So we know the 0 is in the ones place. And this 1 is in the tens place. That means that we have one group of 10. So just like up here, we have these cups. So we have our ones, that would be where the 0 is, our tens, which is where the 1 would be, and then eventually our hundreds. We're not going to worry about that for now. So since we have 10 ones, that means we get to make a new group. So I'm going to put this into a group like this, and this gets to move into our tens cup because we have one group of 10 and we have 0 extra ones. Do you see that? So we have one group of 10 and 0 extra ones. All right, so we are going to move on to some word problems. So we've got a few different options on how we can work our word problems out today. We can either use a pen frame, we can use different counting objects, we can draw them out. But I want you to make sure that you are practicing our number sentence writing with all of these word problems. There's only 3, so it's going to be a-okay. So let's do the first one together. All right, here we go. So it says, Gloria borrows 1 book about dinosaurs and 5 books about pirates. How many books did Gloria borrow? So I think the first thing I want to do is I'm going to write my number sentence. So the first thing we read is that Gloria borrows 1 book. So what's the first number in our number sentence going to be? 1. So we're going to draw our 1. And then she borrows 5 books about pirates. So we need to put in our plus sign because she's borrowing 1 about dinosaurs and 5 about pirates. So how many are we adding to this? What number do I need to write here? 5, very good. And then I write my equal sign. Now, there's a few different ways I can look at this. One way is I can draw some objects or use real objects. So I'm going to draw my 1, and then I'm going to draw my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and then I'm going to count all of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now, I want to know every time when you're working on these problems, I want you to think about how you're finding these answers. And I want you to know how you know. And then I want you to think, can you show it a different way? How can I show this a different way? I already used objects. I know I could use a 10 frame. So I'll erase that and I'll draw a quick 10 frame here. Oops. So she started with 1 book. So we'll draw that 1 book. And then she borrowed 5 more. So then I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take a look here. We know there's 5 boxes on top. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I get the same answer? I did. That means I got it right. So that's awesome. We always want to make sure we're checking our work by doing it 2 different ways. So we've got just 2 other problems. So make sure that we are writing our number sentence and trying to show our work more than one way. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow for math. Bye.